What are we going to do today?
We'll continue from where we stopped now.
But we have already done it.
What I want to do now is for us to confirm that what you did was correct. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't want to assume that everything is correct. I told you I had a power challenge on my side, so we didn't have light for more than a week now. So just had it restored today. So I'm not really.
It's us. It's totally fine.
Mm.
But it was off like a few months ago. Yeah.
So while my WhatsApp is trying to load, let's pick up from where we stopped. So Favor, go ahead. I want to see if I can load up WhatsApp on my other device. So Favor, go ahead. Read the
13.
question. Next question.
13. It says, if 8 children ate 6 crates of egg in 12 days, how long will 6 children take to eat some crate of egg? If they ate at the same rate.
Okay. So what kind of question is that? Do you remember?
Answer. The answer is the answer is 8 days.
So
Is it not 8
now,
days?
now hold on. I asked a question. I said, what kind of question is this? So that's the first. You tell me the right answer to my question now. I will know if what you did was correct or not. What kind of question is this? What topic will it fall under?
I think it's a ratio. Ratio.
Ratio proportion, right?
Yeah. I think
Okay.
it is a. I'm sure that it is a.
It is a what?
More.
I've already answered that question now. It's a ratio and proportion question. Whenever they start a question like that, saying if so, a particular number of people did something in a number of days, how long will it take so and so number of people to do it? If they are working at the same rate, or if they are eating at the same rate, or if they are singing at the same rate. Whenever you hear those kind of questions, your mind should go straight to what? Proportion. Okay. So let's have the numbers. You said 8 children, right?
If 8 children ate a crate of egg in 12 days, how long if will 6 children take to eat some crate of egg? If they ate at the same rate.
Yes. Okay. Did you see what I wrote on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Was that how you started your work? Yeah. Was that how you started your work?
No, we just went straight to the answer.
Which answer? Who does that?
No, I think I calculated it first.
They give you a question in maths, and you just hold on. When they give you a question, and you tell somebody, I didn't do that, I just went straight to the answer, you are telling the person two things. You are
No,
either guessing the answer
we did
or
not guess.
So
We
did you start?
calculated it before we wrote the answer.
Why now? How would you calculate something? Okay, fine, no problem. So, let me solve it. Let's see. You said this. Your answer was 8 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see if you are correct. So the first thing that we need to understand is that this question is a proportion question, and it's either of two types of proportion. It's either direct proportion or inverse proportion. Now, how will we know which one it is? I told you, for you to know which one is direct and which one is inverse, ask yourself a question. As one quantity is increasing, is the other one also increasing? If one increases and the other one increases, or as one reduces and the other one reduces, then you can establish that it is direct proportion. Now, so let's now test this question. Let's see which one it is, whether it is direct or inverse. Now, let's think about, let's use this example for two of you. Okay. Now, I imagine that two of you ate, let's just pretend though, there's no reality in this. Let's just pretend to say that two of you ate 1 crate of eggs in 12 days. I hope you are following my story.
So it's only
I said there's no reality in it. That's why I said there's no reality in what you just said. So if two of you ate a crate of eggs, finished a crate of eggs in 12 days, I don't know. So what will happen if your sister joins you? What will happen if your sister joins you? Will you finish and will you finish that crate of eggs faster or slower? Answer.
Faster.
Let me hear it from you.
Slower. Faster. Slower.
Hold on. It's faster. See, let me explain why it's faster. It's going to be faster because you have more mouths eating the same amount of eggs. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. Zach, please, can you repeat what you said? Because of it, I did not hear you properly. Yes, it was cracking like.
Okay. Let me repeat myself. I said two of you, right, finished 1 crate of eggs in 12 days. Okay. Now, I now said your sister now joins you this time. They now put 1 crate of eggs in front of you again. I now asked, now you people are 3. Will the crate of eggs finish, faster, or will it take longer for that crate of egg to finish now that your sister has joined you?
Faster.
Thank you very much. That makes sense. Now, do you know that? Let me explain. Do you know that saying that it will finish faster means it's not going to take up to 12 days anymore? Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Good. What does that tell you? It means that when the number of people eating a particular amount of food increases, then that means the number of days it will take to finish that same amount of food will reduce. True or false?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what does that tell you? As number of children are increasing, the number of children increases, the number of days reduces. Does it make sense?
Yes. Yes, I
Good.
know. Our answer is correct.
So what that means is that hold on, Faith. Hold on, I'm not done. It means that this question is not a direct proportion question. It means that it is an inverse proportion question.
Yeah.
Now, yes, it's inverse proportion. Why is it inverse? Because look at it. I just explained now that as the number of children increases, the number of days it will take to finish the same amount of food reduces. Okay, now let us now apply it to our question. We've now established that it is inverse proportion. So the first thing I told you, anytime you have inverse proportion, what should you do? In this your arrangement, you will put an X there. So let me put my own X. You will put an X here. Do you remember when I said something like that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. So this X here means that you have established that it is what? Inverse proportion. Now, why did you put that X? This is the reason why. Let's look at the numbers on the left-hand side. I have 8 and 6. So I'm going to write 8 over 6 equals what? Now, instead of me to put 12 over X, because of that X, I'm going, that cross that I did there, I'm going to put what? X over 12. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please remember, what I just did now only applies to inverse proportion questions. If it were a direct proportion question, I wouldn't have put that cross there. Okay? And then on the right-hand side, it would have been 12 over X. Now, let's solve it. So who can tell me what I should do next here?
I think you cross multiply.
You
cross multiply.
Yeah. So that means 6 will multiply X. And what? 12 will multiply 8, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What do I do next?
You divide both sides.
By what?
6.
Thank you very much. I divide both sides by 6. So my final answer will be what? 2 times 8, which is what?
15. 16. Sir, so if you say 16 days, why?
Yes. Yes. And it makes sense. Doesn't it make sense? 8 children finished the eat of eggs in 12 days. You now reduce the number of children eating the same number of eggs. Will it not take longer to finish it?
Yeah. I even thought that we're still looking at the 8 children.
No.
I mean, I even thought that it would be minus. When I got 16, I'm not really sure. I just minus it by 8. That's how I got my 8.
So have you seen how I solved it now?
Yes, sir.
Now, who can remember how I started solving this question? What was the first thing I asked myself? Because it's very important. Okay, let's hear. What do you have to say? How did I start?
You ask yourself if it's a percussion or inpercussion question.
If it was a what kind of question?
It was a percussion or a impercussion.
Direct proportion or inverse proportion. That's what I said.
Yes, you're trying to say.
Okay. So how will we know whether it's a direct proportion question? Yes. Go ahead.
Because we have to see if sir, please repeat that question. I'm not really hear that.
How will you know if it is a direct proportion question or an inverse proportion question? How will you know?
By looking at the number of children and seeing if it's going to give us a direct answer.
I don't know. You didn't really answer the question the way I wanted to say. But this is what this was what I said.
Sir.
Question.
Sir, first.
As one. Yes. I'm listening.
Favor is writing.
Writing what?
Why you are explaining? No. Yes, you are. It's cute.
People trying to make sure that you can understand the concept. You need to understand it. That we have done several of these questions and you still don't understand it. Please don't write yet. So let's just follow the process again. So I asked a question. How do you know if it is a direct proportion question or an inverse proportion question? Yes, Favor, are you going to help us?
Yes, sir. That's what to say. I remember. It is that determine how many the children are. No, that's not what you said. It determines how many the children are and the days.
Thank you. The number of children and the number of days. Then I gave a scenario for you to know that it is direct proportion. If as the number of children increases, the number of days also increases, then what does that mean? It must be what? Direct proportion. But two of us, I think we analyzed it, right? We discussed it. I said, imagine two of you could finish a crate of eggs in 12 days. Then your sister now joined you, and they now also give you that same one crate of eggs. And I asked you, how many days will it take you to finish that same one crate of eggs? And you said it will definitely take a shorter time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What does that tell you?
It is a concussion. An inconcussion.
It is a what?
Inconcussion.
It's an inverse. That's what I said. Inverse.
Inverse.
Yes,
Concussion.
inverse is the opposite of direct. Do you get it? Inverse is the opposite of direct. So it's inverse. Why is it inverse? Because as the number of children increases, the number of days reduces. Did you get that?
It's spell concussion. I'm not really sure.
Okay, I'll spell it. Let me type it on. Okay. Thank you. I'm writing it.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen her? Have you seen the correct spelling now?
Yes, sir. Proportion.
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 So do you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
And then what did I say next? Okay. Once you know it is an inverse proportion question, what did I say you should do? You should put an X in between there, isn't it? Put that cross there, right?
Yes.
And then you now come up with your 8/6 equals X/12. Remember, the right hand side, you must flip it. Why? Because it's inverse proportion. Please take note. If it were direct proportion, that right hand side would have been 12/X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So you can go ahead and write it in your book. When you're done writing, let me know.
Okay, sir. So our favor is done because of we cheated. And I wrote before teacher said I should write. We surely do it.
Wait, are you done?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, Favor.
Sir?
Favor, you're done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Faith, are you done yet?
No, sir. And the one that wrote this.
Where are you? What are you writing now?
Just this, she said.
Faith, you need to learn how to write a bit faster so that you'll be able to
I'm almost done.
time.
Sir, I'm almost done.
I know, I'm waiting for you.
I'm trying to spell the conversion.
In your book?
Yes, sir. I'm done spelling.
Okay.
That's
okay. All right. Good. Favor. I'm guessing that it's Favor that is trying to use everything. She has erased it. Good. Okay, so I can start now. Number 14 says simplify 2x. Number 14.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do
Number
you
14
know?
says simplify
Sir,
2x. Yes, my WhatsApp is open now. 2x minus x plus 4x. Now, when you see this kind of question, what does it tell you? What topic is this? Who can remind me?
It sounds like.
Yes, I'm waiting. What topic? Like what? Like what?
I don't know. Sir,
Okay.
Sir, I think knows the answer.
Okay. Okay, what's the answer, if you know?
6x. That means I got the same answer.
It's what?
6x.
I didn't ask you the answer. I said, what topic does this thing fall under? What topic does it fall under?
Addition and subtraction.
It's not. Have you seen what I wrote on the screen?
Algebra.
Algebra. Algebra.
Algebra.
Now, let me show you how to remember it easily. The meaning. Just listen. I will explain. Just hold on. It's not difficult though. It's not a big deal. The all is short. It's taken from alphabet. You know your alphabets, right?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all the way to Z. Okay? Then the algebra, you can just think about the algebra from numbers. Okay? It's not an English word per se. All right? But it reminds us of numbers. So algebra is a kind of mathematics, okay, where alphabets represent numbers. Did you hear what I said? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I only heard one person's voice.
Yes, sir. Sir, Faith is writing it down.
Did you both understand? Okay, good. Oh, Faith is writing it down. Okay. So let me repeat myself. I said algebra is a branch of mathematics where alphabets represent numbers. Okay?
Number. Yes, sir.
Now, let's now look at what we have in front of us. 2x minus. Can you hear me?
No, yes, sir. No. Oh, okay.
Why can't you hear me?
Making noise. No, I want to go and tell her it's okay.
Okay, can you just do it to strain and listen, okay? Don't allow the sound from the dog distract you. All right. Okay. So I said now, what do we have in front of us? 2x minus x plus 4x. Now, you know that 2x equally is as good as 2 times x, right? Do we know that? Sir. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Now, minus x is as good as minus 1 times x. Agree?
Yes, sir. Sir, sorry. I realized my mistake.
Calm down. I'm not done now. Don't worry. When we'll talk about the mistakes and all, then we'll come back to that. Okay. Now, minus x is as good as minus 1 times x. So I'm sure you would have known by now that in algebra we don't usually write 1. Anywhere you see you have 1, we don't usually write it except if 1 is standing alone. But once 1 is multiplying a letter, you don't need to write it. Everybody knows that there's a 1 there. And then finally, we now have plus 4x, which means 4 times x. Now, there's something called like terms in algebra. What does it mean? It means that all the letters are the same. Did you get that? It means that all the letters are the same. And then if you don't have like terms, it means that some of the letters may be the same, but the others would be different. Okay? So in this case, we have all of them the same. So this is what we do whenever we have all of them the same. You are going to just pick the numbers in front of the x. Please take note, we are going to pick them with their signs. Okay? So for instance, the first number I have is 2. I have 2. The next one I have is what? Minus is what? Plus 4. Pick them with their signs. Who is annotating? You forgot to do. I said no annotation unless I ask you to annotate.
So the
Please,
answer is really
let's stick to
easy.
it. I want to
Some people usually
now.
say that we recycle the 2 out. So 1 plus 4 is 5.
Who said that you will do that now?
That's what they usually do sometimes.
You understand the person?
Yes, I know that. I said that. That's what some
Person
people
well.
do.
I'm sure that's not what the person. So if they do that, does it mean that they are correct?
No.
Exactly. So this is the correct way. So let's 2 minus 1 is what? I didn't hear an answer. 2 minus 1 is what?
5. 1.
1 plus 4 is what?
5. 5.
Thank you. Size 5x. Did you see that?
I wrote 5, but my 5 will be looking at it by wrote 6. Me too. For you, see. So I look from the difference.
Don't worry, I understand. It's okay to make mistakes. So and sometimes don't be ashamed of the fact that you made a mistake. If I make a mistake, I own up. I made a mistake. There's nothing wrong with owning up your mistake. The important thing is whether you have learned the correct way of doing it. So is there any question from the one?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So go ahead and write it down in your book.
Okay.
And if you've not written the meaning of algebra, you can also quickly write it down.
Sir, face is done. Do you write that algebra? Algebra. I know this one. Leave me, Joe. You want to just compare. Sir, Faith did not write anything. I wrote it. Faith!
Are you sure you wrote down the meaning of algebra?
Yes. You see that you should write it down.
Read it out to me. What did you write?
Name twice again before all of you say Faith is not writing it.
Faith, what did you write in your book? What's the meaning of algebra?
Algebra represents alphabets and numbers.
You see, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. I said algebra
represents alphabets.
Is what?
Algebra represents the alphabet from A to Z.
No. See?
Algebra is, I know, algebra is half of alphabet and numbers.
Okay, now please listen. Let me say it again. It looks like two of you did not hear what I said. Let me say it again. Algebra is the branch. You know how the branch of a tree, right? The spelling of branch, a tree. Okay, like the branch of a tree. So algebra is the branch of maths where alphabets represent numbers. Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so Faith, you are not done writing. Write down exactly what I said. Algebra is the branch of maths where alphabets represent numbers.
Algebra is the branch.
Yes, of maths.
Of maths.
Yes.
And numbers.
Where Alphabets represent numbers.
And where?
I didn't say and though. I don't know where you got and from. I never said and.
Alphabet
Represent numbers.
represent numbers.
Yes. Okay. So, Favor, are you done writing? Are both of you now done writing?
Yes, sir.
Who closed our screen?
It is evil. No. Yes. Shift your hand. Are you the one that is controlling? Yes. I was
So for this
controlling.
hour, Faith, remember, it's Favor that is controlling, isn't it? For
Sir,
this
I was the one that
hour.
cleaned last time. No, it was
Who cleaned last time?
Favor.
Hello. So Favor, clean now, clean again. Okay, good. All right, let's go to the next one. We're on number 15 now. Very soon we'll take a break. Number 15 says convert 0.025 to decimal fraction. Okay, so let me see who is going to help us with this. Let me see who remembers what we did from our mental maths class.
Favor.
Let me finish writing now. Who is writing on the screen? Please,
Favor
can you erase? You are writing there.
Breaking the number 1 rule. Do not annotate.
Yes, please don't break it. Okay, so 0.025. Okay, so who can remember? How do we change this decimal to a fraction? That's the meaning of the word convert. Okay, you change something to another format. Convert.
It is 1 over 20. Sorry, 1 over 30. 1 over 10. 1 over 30.
Oh my goodness. Did you see? It's less than it's not to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I said something as we were starting. I said when you see a question and you are going straight to give the person an answer, what did I tell you that the person will feel? Who can remember what I said?
The person should
Okay.
Sir, people feel with cheese. No. Yes, you are.
And don't allow yourself to be distracted. I asked a question. I said something. When you see a question in front of you and the first thing you are running to is to go and start giving answers, what impression are you giving? You are making the person feel that you are guessing. You've not given any proof to show that, oh, I got the answer right. It's not the answer I'm looking for. It's your working. As in, how did you get to the answer? So I asked the question. How do you convert a decimal to fraction? What's the first thing to do?
You count how many zeros and there are, and you see zeros there
Come
are.
again.
You count how many zeros there are.
No.
Sir,
No. Try
this is what you will do.
You're almost there. You're almost there. Count how many words. There's something you want to say, but you've not said it quite correctly. Count how many words.
Count how many.
How many words?
Figures.
Now, if I follow what you said, it's not exactly correct. So let me help you. But I think you have an idea. What you wanted to say is count how many decimal places are in the number. Now, let me show you the difference between what I said and what you said. You said count how many figures. If we count how many figures, that means I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct?
No, I was meaning that this part that I should count.
So that's why it's much more correct to say decimal places. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Well done. You tried. Okay, so it's how many decimal places you should count. But apart from counting, what's the first thing you should do before you even count?
Look for how many the decimal places.
You've already said that. I heard you. I'm saying that before you tell us how many decimal places are there and you work with it, what's the first thing you should do? Okay, let me help you. Now, please. Yes, I'm listening. You have what?
You have to count the decimal in the left side. No, we have to count the decimals in the right.
You've already done that. But I'm saying even before you do that, what's the first thing you should do?
I don't know.
Okay, don't worry, I'll remind you. You both tried. It's fine, but you need to be remembering everything. Okay, now the first thing I said you should do, you see that decimal point? Change it to a 1. I didn't say you should remove it. Don't remove it yet. Change it. You remember now, right?
Yes. Then we should change it.
Don't change anything now. Just calm down. Let me show you what I said. Put a 1 under it. That's what I said. Okay? Can you see what I did?
Yes, sir.
After putting a 1 under it, then put a 0 under the other numbers on the right hand side. So let's put a 0 under 0, put another 0 under 2, and put another 0 under 5. Now, I want you to take a look at what we have.
I know. I did not write that in the answer. Guys,
can you see what I just said?
Yes.
Can you see what I just done? Now, let me ask a question. What can go into, listen carefully to my question. What can go into 25 and can go into 100? 1,000, sorry. What number can do that? 5. Okay. Can you think of a bigger number that can do the trick?
I think.
Do you know 25. That you can
25?
Yes, 25. Okay, good. Okay, I like that. That's good. Good risk taking. So 25 in itself is 1.
Yes, sir.
25 in 100 is, yes.
5 in 100 is 5 in 100 is
5 in 100. I didn't say 5 in 100. 25 in 100.
25. I think it is something.
Yes. You don't remember?
No.
You just remember that 25 can go in itself. Okay, let me help you this time. Please don't forget again. 25 can go into 100 4 times. What did I say?
4 times.
Good. Then you see this last 0 here? You just put 0 there. See that?
Yes, sir.
So what's our final answer?
It is 1/40.
Thank you.
They gave us. They did not give us, sir.
Have you put the answer in?
Have you seen the answer
among the options?
No. It is 1/44.
Which 44?
That's what it shows, sir.
Okay. I know. I can see it here. Don't worry, it's a typographical error on their part.
Okay.
Don't worry, just write this down in your book. So it's a typographical error.
I'm already writing it.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. When you're done, let me know.
Okay, sir. Yeah, so let's start.
Are you done?
Yes. No, a bet and no. Wait, no. No.
So who is still writing?
All of us.
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Done.
Okay.
Surface, we wrote it twice.
We wrote.
And we wrote it.
Oh, okay. In the book, I can see it.
Okay. So we're going to
Okay.
number 16.
All right. Yes. So can you wipe off the screen? Let's do number 16. We'll take a break after we do number 17 because both 16 and 17 are somehow related. Let's do both of them before we take a break.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and wipe the screen. Why is it taking a while to wipe it? When you click on eraser, you should wipe everything at once.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see number 16. Number 16 says find the LCM of 12 and 16. Interesting. All right. So do you remember how to find LCM?
Oh, sir, the answer is really easy. It is 4. No. 4. Sir, it is 96.
So if you have any lesson, okay.
96. Let me show
Faith
you.
and favor.
Sir.
Can you calm down? I didn't have to don't show me anything. Calm down. Let me ask a question.
6. This is what?
When you are discussing these things, and the first thing you are thinking about is the answer is. Have you done this thing somewhere? Have you worked it out somewhere?
Yes, sir. It is 4.
Okay. So you got 96. Am I correct?
Faith got 96. Favor got 4.
Okay, don't worry. We'll find out who is correct. Just watch. Now, when you're looking for LCM, LCM means lowest common multiple.
This one.
Correct?
Yes.
Did we get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lowest common multiple. So when you're looking for LCM, this is what you do. Can you see what I drew on the screen? 12 and 16 side by side in a table format.
Sir, stop. Sir, stop. Sir, stop. I think that Faith really answer it. Faith will answer it is 48.
Can I finish?
Because 48 can go in 12, 48 can go in 16.
Let me finish. We'll know whether it's correct or not. Just let me finish. Okay? And I want you to understand what I'm doing right now. Please, don't be quick to rush and start, trying out numbers. What you should do is to know what you are doing very well. Then you can defend it, whether it's whatever answer you got. So can you see what I drew on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm going to do first is to find out a small number, not so small, that can go into both 12 and 16. And well, the number that comes to mind is 4. Okay, so I'm going to try 4 out. All right, so help me. 4 in 12 is what?
4 in 12 is 3.
4 in 16 is what?
4 in 16, 4.
Thank you. You now have 3 and 4. Let's pick 3. Anytime a number cannot go into another number, hold on. Anytime you have a number that cannot go into another number without a remainder, just drop it down. So 3 in 3 in itself is 1. And for 4, we're going to drop it down. And we'll now say 4 here, 1, 1.
So 4 is not a prime number.
So does it have to be a prime number?
Okay. Yes. No. Sir, but me, I did it in the long way. That like this. I just exactly did like 12.
If you do it in the long way, it will take you longer to get to the answer. Do you want that?
And I did it by 2.
Do you want something that will take you longer to get to the answer? I'm sure you want to get your answer quickly, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So let's go. 4 times 3 is what?
4 times 3 is 12.
Thank you. And then finally, 12 times 4. The last 4 is what? 12 times 4 is what?
That is 48.
So that's the answer.
Oh, I thought you were wrong. Yes, congratulations.
So, who got 4 as the answer? Who was the person that got 4?
Favor.
So, Favor, how did you get 4 in your own? How did you get 4? Maybe you are thinking that they said that you should find HCF, right?
Yes, sir.
So HCF and LCM are 2 different things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you're done writing this, let me know so we can go to the next one.
Sir, first I should finish writing
it. Faith is done.
Yes. Sir?
Faith, you are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about Favor?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to start right. Everyone is almost done, please.
Okay.
Does it not look very easy? I was like 7 that taught me. Grab a sheet of paper, write whatever you want to write. Put your mouse it on top of it and start writing. Now see if it works.
Okay. All right. I can see it. So, Favor, are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please wipe off the screen. Let's do the next one.
Okay. Sir, what are we going to do in number 17?
You've not wiped off the screen now. You still have stuff on the screen.
Are we done?
Okay, good. Yes. So number 17 says, find the sum of HCF and LCM of 8 and 12. Now, in this case now, what it means is that we need to find the HCF, find the LCM, then add it together, right?
Yes. The answer is 28, of course. Wait.
Let's
You
finish.
write your answer. Wait.
Okay. But do you understand what the question needs from us? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for 8 is 2 times 2, right?
Yes, sir. 2 times 2,
12 is
4.
what? 2 times 2 times 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So why you annotating? Is that how you did your own?
Yes, sir. I circled
Okay.
this, but it will be the same. Sir, but Faith, sir. But Faith did that. Yes, Faith did like that. It is 4 and 12. It's correct.
So the answer is what?
4.
The answer is 4. Okay. Now this is for what? What we just did now is what?
It's for HCF.
Thank you. So let us do LCM, right?
Okay.
What number are we using? Let's use 4 to help us to be fast. 4 in 8 is 2. 4 in 12 is 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
2 here, 1.
3. 3. 1.
So 4 times 2 times 3 is what?
8. 24.
24. Okay.
I said it is 28.
Yes. So that's correct. So that means favor is correct.
Faith. Faith
Oh.
and favor. No, it's not 28, it's 24. So is it 28?
See, you are not listening. When I started the question, I said the question expected us to find both HCF and LCM, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then after finding them, what should you do to them? You add them together. So the answer for HCF is 4. The answer for LCM is 24. By the time you say 24 plus 4, what do you get?
28. And I got Faith got 28. So Faith is correct.
Is Faith's method the same as my method?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir. It's a lie. It's not the same. Sir, I'm mistaken. Sir, I know 4. I now did like you, but this part here, it was not. Instead of 2, I wrote 4.
So see, don't no problem. See, it depends on how you started. It could still be correct. Do you understand? It depends on how you started. Me, I started.
So
do you get?
4 times 4 is what? 8. 8 times 3 is what?
Your method, are you listening to me? Your method may not be exactly the same as my own. Like now, if you started with 4 like me, your own will look exactly like mine. But if you start with 2, we will still get the same answer, because at the end of the day, 4 will be there somewhere. Do you understand? It will break down. So it's perfectly okay. Okay, so I think we can go on break now, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, you have 10 minutes.
10?
So no, it's not even up to 10. Let's continue by 1:30. Is that okay?
That is 6 minutes. Yes, sir. 6.
That is 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Is that okay?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So please go and use the room and be back here by 1:30. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, come and see my calculations.
Your calculations.
Yes, sir.
Your 6 minutes had already started counting. But yes, no problem. I can see your calculations. I like it.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
that a black biro you're using?
Sir?
Are you using a black biro to do your work?
No, black marker.
Black marker? Why? Why are you not using a biro?
No, it's not on my book.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, no problem. It still looks nice, Sha.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right,
Bye.
so see you at 1:30.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. If we did not keep to our time, I said 6 minutes.
Sorry. You're eating.
You are eating. Okay. Are both of you there now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Faith, you're the one that will be cleaning the screen when I call for that.
Yes.
So we stopped at we're supposed to continue to number 18.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
So number 18 is how many hours and minutes are there between 9:30 a.m. and 1:50 p.m. Okay, 9:30 a.m. and 1:50.
Sir, I'm coming. Sir, I want to use the restroom.
Please be quick.
Yes, sir.
All right. So number 18 said, how many hours and minutes are there between 9:30 a.m. and 1:50 p.m.? So let's see. 9:30 a.m.
Sir. You have to subtract.
150. Subtract. Are you sure?
Yes. No, I'm going to add. Why subtracting? No, sir. I'm going to subtract.
Okay.
Subtract.
Let me show you the best way to do it, so that you are not wondering, should you add, should you subtract, and all that. It's the way I'm going to do it now. Just watch. It's not difficult. So we're going to start from 9. I'm seeing somebody annotating there. Please don't annotate. Let me. Okay. So the best way to do, starting from 9:30, we're going to do this. 9. From 9:30.
Yes.
Okay. AM to what?
To 1.
10.
No, 10 is 150. Yes.
Not done now. I did say that. I said this is how we're going to do it. Okay. From 9:30 AM to 10:30 AM is how many hours? You can tell me.
1 hour. No, I mean 30 minutes. Wait. 1 hour.
Hmm?
That is 1 hour.
It's 1 hour. So I'm sorry, I'm not sure I can annotate. So in your books, are you ready? Please, in your books, write down what we are doing now. Are you with me?
Okay, sir.
Can you do that? Can you do that? The first thing you should write is what I wrote first. From 9:30 AM to 1:50 PM. Have you written that down?
Number 8.
Have you written that?
Almost. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Wait, I told you that we need to be fast. Have you written down 9:30 to 1:50 PM?
Yes.
Okay. Now, please watch what I'm going to do. Please watch. Please. It's very, very simple. The next thing I'm going to do now is to say, I'm going to count 9:30 AM to 10:30 AM. Now, let me explain what I'm doing. I'm simply counting in hours. Okay? I'm counting in hours. Now, from 9:30 to 10:30 is 1 hour. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Good. From 10:30 AM to 11:30 AM is another 1 hour, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm only hearing one voice. Faith and Favor, are we
Yes,
together?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
From 11:30 AM to 12:30, careful now, we have entered PM. 12:30 PM is another 1 hour. Watch you. From 12:30 PM, who is annotating? No, I hope I'm not
It's not-
annotating. Okay, it's my own pen that is acting up. From 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. is another 1 hour. Remember, we're supposed to stop where? 1:50, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Now, from 1:30 to 1:50, who can tell me how many minutes there is there?
Hi, that is 20 minutes.
Thank you very much. It's just 20 minutes. So that last one is not up to an hour. It's just 20 minutes. So can we count how many hours we have now?
1, 2, 3,
1,
4.
2, 3, 4. So that's going to be what? 4 hours and how many minutes?
20 minutes. I got
Thank you very
it.
much.
Yes,
How
I
did
got
it?
it.
Did you see me adding or subtracting here?
No.
Did I add?
No.
Yeah. Questions on time. It's not all every time that you see, okay, let's solve by adding or solve by subtracting. No. Sometimes this is just all you need to do. All right. So you can go ahead and write it in your book.
Okay. Fit is in where 30 a.m. is 12:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. to 1:30. 1:30 to 1:50 p.m. equals to 4 hours 20 minutes.
Yeah, 4 hours, 20 minutes. Are we done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I, Faith, can you wipe off the whole screen?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Just a moment. Yes, I'm going to wipe it off.
All right. Okay, good. Okay, number 19. Number 19. If you notice, number 19 looks like an algebra question, correct?
Yes, sir.
But the only difference between number 19 and the one that we've done is that number 19 started with if.
So we need to.
You notice that there's an
use our. So we need to use our 2 minutes very well.
what 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
What 2 minutes
should
do we need?
The 2 minutes of our time.
Ah,
No,
which 2 minutes?
we were ending by 2:30. Is it 2:30? Yes, Mister. You don't need to check. No, he not tell me.
What time did you come back from your break? You've forgotten.
No, Fred is the one that forgot.
What time did you come back from break now?
1:48. 1:46.
1:46. So that means we're going to end at 2:46. Isn't it? Right?
Yes, sir.
You don't seem excited about that. Okay. So number 19 started with if. Okay. So that tells you something, that number 19 is different from the one that we did before. This one is saying, remember, it's algebra where alphabets represent numbers. So they're saying If anywhere you see X, you put 4. That's what X equals 4 means. And anywhere you see Y, you put 1. Can you see that? Can you see that in the question? If Y equals 1, if X equals 4, and Y equals 1. Did you see that?
Yes. So can you please share your own screen?
What happened? Are you not with your book? Aren't you with your book?
You're with it, sir.
Yeah. So look at your book now. Look at your book. I'm on number 19 now.
If S equals to 4, Y equals 1, and Z equals to 2, find the value of
2x plus y over y plus z. So what I'm saying is that x equals 4 means anywhere you see x, what are you going to put?
4.
Faith is annotating. Faith, why are you breaking our rules now?
It's not means favor. Favor is annotated when it's not her turn. Sorry.
Oh. So let's just follow what the question said. Anywhere we see x, we should put what? 4. Anywhere you see y, you put what? 1. Anywhere you see z, what are you going to put?
Z. You're going to put 2. 2.
Thank you. Anywhere you see z, you put 2. So let's do exactly that. So 2x plus y over y plus z will look like this. Remember, I told you that 2x means 2 times. So this is how we write it in order. 2 times 4 plus 1 over 1 plus 2. Did you see what I just did there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please remember, your laws of BODMAS apply. What does BODMAS say? Multiplication must be done first. So 2 times 4 is what? Hello?
Yes, sir.
2 times 4 is what?
2 times.
Why is everyone quiet now? 2 times 4 is what?
8.
So we now have what?
8 plus 1 equals 9.
And that's 9 over 3. And 9 over 3 is what?
9 over 3 is 3.
Faith and Favor, do you both understand what I just did there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go ahead and write it in your book.
Okay, I understand it.
You understand it better now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Faith,
no. So I want to just write this part I forgot about this part.
Write it now. Write it. That's the question itself. So go ahead and write it.
It's easy to do, and I'm done.
Okay, good. All right. So please wipe off the screen for us, Faith. Okay. Let's take the next number. 20. Now, did you see that number 20 also an algebra question?
Yes, sir.
And it's quite interesting. This question, just if you pay attention, you see it's very easy. Very, very easy. It says find the value of x in the equation. Now, in this case, they didn't tell us if x equals 1, if y equals no. They didn't. That's not how the question started with. The question said find it. They're not telling you what the value of x is. They're asking you to do what? Find it. So how do we find x? It's a very popular question. How do we find x? So this is what we are going to do. To find x, the value of x, and that x is just a letter. It could have been, they could have put a in place of x. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it could have been any other letter, but for now, the letter that they chose was X. And if you notice, the X is written in such a way that it doesn't look like your multiplication sign. It's like, a letter C and another letter C turned backwards, right? Is that what it looks like?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes that's how it looks. It doesn't look like X exactly, but that's the way they write X so that it's different from your normal multiplication sign. So this is the equation. 3x plus 1 equals what?
4x.
X plus what? 9. Did I ask you? I didn't ask you any question. No. Don't go and say something I did not ask you. I didn't say what is the answer. I said I'm just writing down the question. You see that
I'm writing as you're writing.
No, don't write as I'm writing. No, listen to my explanation. Let me explain. That's the first thing I told people in our classes. Always listen to my explanation first before you write. Now, the first thing you're going to do here is what I would say is collect the like terms. Who can remember what I said are like terms?
Like terms means that you divide by two sides. No. Like terms means that you like the term. You divide by both sides. Collect the terms. Or you cross multiply. I said like the terms.
Can you see? Can you see? I said something before we went on break. I explained what like terms are. You people were, I don't know whether you were listening or you were distracted or what. Now I'm going to repeat it. I want you to write it down in your book. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Like terms, the word like just means the same. There's something that's the same about them. Okay? So I could have said collect the terms that are the same. Or collect like terms would have been, it's just another way of saying it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write it down in your book. Collect like terms or collect the terms that are the same. I will wait for you. Write it down. So that when next somebody asks you what do like terms mean, you know what to tell the person. Collect like terms or collect the terms that are the same.
Collect the terms. The terms
that are the same. Now, okay, maybe we should even change that our sentence, our last sentence. They may not be exactly the same. So instead of saying that are the same, say collect the terms that look similar. I think that's a better way of saying it. Collect the terms that look similar. So please cross it in your book if you have written collect the terms that are the same. Collect the terms that look similar. When you're done writing, let me know.
Done.
Are we both done?
Yeah.
Can I move on now? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please watch. Watch. I didn't ask you for any answer. Just watch what I'm going to do. Now for me to collect the like terms, you see that x that is on the right hand side where you have x plus 9. Good. We're going to move it to the left hand side so that it will meet with that 3x on the left hand side of the equality sign. Okay. So anytime I say left hand side and right hand side, I'm talking in terms of the equal sign. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I didn't hear. I only heard one voice. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, anytime I say left hand side, right hand side, I'm talking about the equal sign. All right. So let's move that x. Now, anytime things move, anytime something moves from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign on it changes. Okay. Now,
Yes.
what that means is that you are going to have this 3x minus x. Did you see that? Don't write down, no. Just you see what I just did now. Hello, I can't hear you. Did you put what I did?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good. Now, I know you are wondering what happened to the 1. Don't worry, you will see what happened to the 1 now. The 1 will also move to the right hand side to join that 9. But look at what is going to happen. Did you notice what happened to the 1?
Yes.
Did you notice that the sign on the 1 became minus, just like the sign on the x changed from plus to minus? Now I know I know somebody may be thinking in their minds that wait, but there's no sign on the x, right? Is that not how it looks? As if there's no sign on the x. If you look at the right hand side, you see that plus sign between x and 9.
Yes.
Can you see that plus sign between x and 9? That plus sign does not belong to x. It belongs to who?
9.
Thank you very much. It belongs to 9. Well done. It belongs to 9, not to x. So what happened to x? Does it mean that x doesn't have a sign? No. Again, in algebra, anytime you don't, it looks as if there's no sign on a number. What are you supposed to assume? Plus sign. Okay? Let me say it again. In algebra, anytime you don't see a sign in front of a number or a letter, what are you supposed to assume? That that sign is plus. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Can you write that down in your book so that you don't forget it? Just write it down in your book. Don't worry. I don't want you to miss anything I'm saying now. That's why I'm asking you to write it down in your book. So I'm permitting you. Write it down in your book. Don't write down the things I'm solving yet. Just write down the things I'm saying first. Then you can now write down what I'm solving. Let me repeat what I said. Anytime you don't see a sign on a letter or a number, then we assume the sign is plus.
When you don't see
A sign on a letter or a number, then we assume that the sign is plus. Are we done? Are we done?
No, sir.
Sir, please, can you please spell assume?
A-S-S-U-M-E. A-S-S-U-M-E.
Oh, that is good. But me, I missed the second S. That's why I asked you to ask you to spell it, sir. If my answer, my assume was correct.
Okay. All right. Okay. Are we done writing?
Yes, sir.
Are we both done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to write for me in your books is this. The opposite of plus is minus. Opposite of plus is minus, and the opposite of minus is plus. Now in your book, when you're writing down plus, don't write plus, write the plus sign. Did you get that?
Okay.
So that you will understand it very well. The opposite of plus, remember, write down the plus sign, is minus. Again, when you're writing down minus, write down as if you're writing subtraction. Don't write down minus. The opposite of plus is minus, and the opposite of minus is plus. Or you can write it down on a separate line. The opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of minus is plus. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So, so I think we can continue now. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So now it makes sense why the x, when the x crosses over the minus sign to the left-hand side, it became minus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, remember, anytime you see a letter in algebra and you don't see a number in front of it, what number are we assuming is there? What number are we assuming is number are we assuming is there?
We assume it is plus.
No, this is, I said the number, a number, like that x that is there. When you see x, what number is in front of it there? The number there, what did we say? Anytime you don't see a number, what number? You can't remember.
Yes.
It's 1. 1. Anytime you don't see a number, that means it's 1. So, the left side, how would you read it? You're going to say 3x minus x. But in your mind, what is 3x minus 1x? 3x minus 1x is what?
3x plus 1x.
Minus 1x.
Minus 1x equals to 2x. Minus.
9 minus 1 is what?
0, not 2x. 0x. I thought you said 3.
Where did you get 0x from? Where did you get 0x from?
I mean 1x.
Who is Who is saying 0?
Faith. Okay.
Faith, can you see why it's not 0x? That thing cannot be 0x. I told you, anytime there is no number in front of the letter,
1x.
1.
1x. 0, 0, 0.
1 minus 1 is what?
1 minus 1, 0.
9 minus 1, 9. 9.
8. Wait, your 9 was sounding like 1. Should be favor. So that's why we're confused.
What are we going to do at this point? What are we doing at this point? What do we do next?
2 times.
What do we do next?
We'll multiply.
Why are you saying we'll multiply?
No, we add. And subtract.
Interesting.
That is why it's called interest.
Uh-oh.
We divide by both sides. Sides is the when we divide by both sides. X equals.
I was surprised though when I heard people saying if we multiply. Somebody said multiply, another person said add, another person said subtract. I am so shocked that people did not get this thing correctly.
Oh my God. OMG.
When you are about to find, you see something like this, 2x equals 8. And your job is to do what? Find out what x is.
Yes.
Just divide both sides by what is multiplying x. Finish.
Yeah. Sir, what is?
Write it down in your book.
Sir, what is this?
That sign there, those 3 dots, Abi.
Yes. Is it so therefore?
Yes, that's what it means. Hey.
So there. It is.
I don't know it as so therefore. I just know it as therefore. I don't know it as so therefore.
It's so therefore.
When I went from all the books I've ever seen it in, it's just therefore.
But in real life, human is so therefore.
In real life, which one is real life? The books I've been looking at and I've studied from, are they not real life?
Thank you.
It's therefore. There's no need for this. So if 2 of us were talking, we're having a conversation, and I said, therefore, this is, I don't need to put a so in front.
Yes. Okay. Faith is done.
You rush to get to the answer sometimes. Please make sure that you wrote down everything I said.
Yes, Favor Shebi.
Okay. Please, that thing, that circle that you put around it, therefore, can you erase it so that Favor will not get mistakenly think I actually put a circle there? Okay, Favor, you?
Oh, sir.
Okay.
done, sir.
Okay. So, Faith, please wipe up the screen. Let's move to the next question. Okay. So the next question is also an algebra question. All right. It's quite interesting. They're giving us a lot of algebra questions today.
Okay.
Okay. This one says if 4x raised to power 2, that's 4x squared, minus 3 equals 1. They now ask which of the following is the value of 1 minus 2x. Is that what you have in your book there?
Yes.
I can only hear one voice. Is that what we have in the book there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So, the first thing we're going to do, we need to find out what. Do we agree with that?
Sir?
I said the first thing we need to do is to find out what x is. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please keep this away in your mind somewhere, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just keep it somewhere there. We're not solving it. That's not we'll come to that one later. Our main interest is the one on the left-hand side. 4x squared minus 3 equals 1. Now, again, our job is what? Find x first. So, let's find x. Who can tell me what the first thing we're going to do here? What's the first thing we're going to do?
We're going to...
Yeah?
We're going to collect like tens.
We're going to collect like terms. Now, the only terms that are similar are what?
Only terms that are
minus 3 and 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what that means, guess what will happen? Minus 3 will go over to meet 1. So this is what is going to happen. Let me write it down. What is happening? Okay. Let me write collect like. Okay. So what that means is that 4x squared will still be on the left-hand side, but that minus 3 will go over to the right-hand side to become what? Yes, let me see who will get it. What will minus 3 become?
Minus plus 3. Plus, sorry.
Plus. And 1 plus 3 is what?
1 plus 3 is 4.
Thank you. So right now we have 4x squared equals 4. Now please watch what I'm going to do. Don't worry. I know somebody may have an idea of what I'm about to do, but just watch. Don't answer anything yet. I'm going to divide both sides by 4 first. Watch. When I do that, the 4 will cancel itself, leaving me with x squared equals what?
X squared equals 2.
X squared equals what?
2.
No. 4 divided by itself is what?
X squared equals 1.
It's 1 now. 4 over 4, is it not 1?
Yes, sir.
Now, look at what we're going to do to find x. In your mind, ask yourself, what is the opposite of square? Now, let me ask you that question before I answer it. What is the opposite of squared? If the opposite of multiplication is division and the opposite of addition is subtraction, what is the opposite of squared?
That is squared. That is also square root.
Say it again. Say it again.
Square
The
root.
opposite of square. Excellent. Square root. Good. So, what we're going to do, we're going to find the square root of both sides. And anytime you find the square root of a square, it simply gets rid of the square. So this is what we're going to have on the next line. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
And square root of 1 is?
The square root of 1 is 1.
Thank you. Now, somebody will think that's the final answer. No. You remember that thing that we put in the box at the beginning? 1 minus 2x. Do you guys remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you've actually forgotten.
No,
1
sir.
minus 2x. Look at it at the top now. Have you seen it now?
Yes, sir.
Have you? Now we're going to work with it. Now 1 minus 2x. Remember, 2x means 2 times x. So anyway, x, what value are we putting? Let me see if you're following. What value are you putting?
What value are we putting of?
Anywhere you see x, what value are you putting?
I don't know. Where we're putting x, what's the value? Equals to m equals to 1. The square root of 1 is 1. Yes, pass it. Where is it now? No, we can't hear you.
Ask the question. Right?
You said
X
what,
equals
sir?
1. X
Okay.
equals 1.
Yes, sir.
So does it not naturally mean that anywhere we see x, we should put 1?
Yes, sir.
So it's not a difficult. So anywhere we see x, we put 1. So we're going back to this place. 1. Sorry, let me. I'm annotating. 1 minus 2 times 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Now remember, again, I'm going to say it. Please listen. Anytime you see multiplication and another operation like addition or subtraction in the same line, which one are you supposed to do first?
You do addition first.
Hey,
Subtraction.
board mass. It's multiplication you do first. Did you get that?
Yes.
So what it means is that we're going to have this 2 times 1 is 2. So you have to put your 2 first. And you are left with 1 minus 2. Did you get that?
Yes.
Did you both get that?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the final one. 1 minus 2 is what?
1
minus
2 is
two.
1.
Impossible.
It's not impossible. Okay, so I think we need to learn something else. So before we go to the final answer, I want you to write down everything I've written down so far. Can you do that? Write it down,
Yes.
because we don't have space. Write it down. So we're about to see that some things that we've been told are impossible are actually possible.
Yeah. So our faith is done.
Everything.
How did faith get done? Was faith writing when I was explaining?
No.
So how did faith get done now? I'm listening. How did faith get done?
They said that we should write fast.
I didn't now say your handwriting should look like where chicken is scattering the floor. I said write fast, but you have to write in such a way that when you read it, when you look at your book again, you'll be able to understand it.
It's not like that.
Faith's handwriting is small if she writes fast. So small, one hand cannot see it.
But this time I've learned.
I understand, but don't help me look at Faith's handwriting. Is it clear enough? Is it legible?
A bit.
A bit legible.
Yes.
Okay. Faith, please, we're not in a hurry. You can see I'm taking my time. If you get this, that's my priority. Once you get it correctly, once you understand everything we're doing, it's not about, oh, we reach up to 50 today like this. No, that's not what I'm going for. I want you to understand it yourself, so that I'll hear tomorrow that, oh, Faith and Favor both went to school and they were teaching their friends. Wouldn't you like to be able to do that?
Yes.
I'm not a teacher.
Yes, no.
I said I'm not a teacher.
You see?
Even though.
See? Can you see? Faith does not want to be a teacher.
And I want to be a teacher.
I'll be stopping now.
See, let me tell you something. If you teach somebody something, doesn't mean exactly that you're a teacher per se. It just means that you know that thing and you're willing to help the person. It will give you, a kind of leverage. You'll be able to help
Also
someone.
be able to remember it.
Of course. Thank you. Very, very important. You also be able to remember that thing yourself. So I want you to understand it. Don't cram. And you can see I'm taking my time to explain it. Understand it. Once you understand, then you'll be in a position where you can teach someone else. Okay?
Okay.
So please calm down when you're writing. I didn't say you should be slow.
It should not be slow like tortoise that you use 1 hour to write letters.
But at the same time, fast, so that your handwriting is legible. All right. So can I move on now to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at that next question. Okay, so is it Faith? Faith, help us to wipe the screen. Hey, I'm not done. No, I've almost forgotten. Yes, so sorry. Don't be angry with me. Help me wipe up the screen. Let's finish this one. Remember the last step, 1 minus 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, wipe up the screen, please. I have not finished, so finish. Then you will come to your question. Okay, now.
How can we use?
I'm not. Calm down, madam. I am not done. Let me finish. 1 minus 2. Now, when you have, I know we've all been told, because that's what they will tell you from primary 1 and all the rest, that a small number cannot subtract a big number. Okay?
Yes.
Now, I want you to see
subtract a small number.
Thank you very much. But now see what's going to happen. I'm going to show you something. Please just watch. Then you write it down in your book like that. Okay? There's something called the number line. All right. What did I call it?
Yes. Number line.
Thank you. Call it the number line. And in that number line, there is a middle point. Okay. So in your imagination, anytime you are drawing this down, always understand that the middle point of that number line is what? 0. Okay. So whenever you are adding, please listen. Whenever you are adding a number to another number, move to the where? Right hand side. What did I say?
Move to the right hand side.
Is that all I said? I said whenever.
When you're adding, move to the right hand side.
Of course, obviously the opposite is true. When you're subtracting, move to where?
Right hand side.
You're still saying right hand side. When you're subtracting, move to where?
Left hand.
Thank you. So are we ready now? So watch. What we're doing is subtracting. So I have 0 in the middle. Now, all the positive numbers are on the right hand side. So what that means is that 1 will be here, 2 will be here, 3 will be here, 4 will be here, and so on and so forth. On the left hand side of 0, you have -1.
So our internet connection said that it is unstable.
Yes, I can see that. Don't worry. As long as you can see what I'm writing, just manage it. Can you see what I'm writing?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you see what I wrote down? Can you girls see what I wrote down?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Sir, it says draw over the areas if you want to erase.
Don't worry.
And
Just
I did
ignore
not
it.
draw this on square. I should. Sorry, maybe.
Can you see what I wrote down there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, remember, what do we have in our question? 1 minus
1 minus 2.
2, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So we can't hear you.
Hello?
Our internet.
We can't hear you.
Sir,
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
we have to use
About 2 minutes wisely.
Can you
it is
hear me now?
14:44.
Yes, I know.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Okay. So the question said 1
Yes.
minus 2. Watch. Since the question said 1 minus 2, it means we will start with the value 1. That is, look at where we're going to start. We're going to start here. Did you see that? Can you see where my arrow is pointing? Can you see where my arrow is pointing?
No.
I just
No,
drew
sir.
an arrow now. Did you see where it's pointing at?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Subtract and it goes
Subtract.
No, no, that's not where I just drew an arrow now. Let me change the color.
Okay.
Have you seen the arrow now? Have you seen the arrow now?
I know.
Can you see the arrow
I've
now?
seen this.
Now, please listen to my question. The arrow is pointing at which number?
The arrow is pointing at number 1.
Why is it pointing at number 1? Who can tell me? Why is it pointing at number 1? Yes. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Because it's pointing at number 1. It's pointing at number 1 because of -1. It's they don't really need -1.
No. It's pointing at number 1. Listen, it's pointing at number 1 because the question said 1 minus 2. Is that not what the question said?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 2 means the starting point is where? 1. Please watch what I'm going to do. Because it said -2, it means I'm going to skip 2 times. But remember, anytime we're subtracting, which direction am I moving? Left or right?
Left. Right.
Left.
Left. You said when you want to subtract.
Okay, I know him. Left.
So watch what I'm going to do. 1, 2. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Did you see that?
Sir.
Did you see that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, where is the arrow, the green arrow pointing at?
-1.
Thank you very much. That means that 1 minus 2 is equal to what?
-1.
Thank you. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Can I ask my own question now? So
Yes.
I want you to do it for me. In your book, so you draw the number line in your book. This is just an exercise, but don't worry, it's just one.
I've drawn it.
Okay.
In your book, I want you to do 3 minus 8 for me. 3 minus 8 in your book, not on the screen. In your book, 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8, not 8 minus 3. 3 minus 8. And tell me what the answer is.
-5. Sir, it is -5.
Excellent. Well done. Well done. -5. Good. Good. Let's. Do we both agree? Faith and Favor, did you get the same answer?
Favor is still drawing at him.
Okay. Favor. Let's wait for Favor. Favor, we want to make sure that you got the same answer with us.
Okay.
Okay, Robbie. Let's go.
Favor, did you get -5?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, one more. I want you people to see something yourself. let's see. Let's make this pretty easy. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5.
The negative line. No. 2 minus
2
5.
minus 5.
3. Negative 3.
No.
3. Negative 3. No, negative 3.
Negative 3. 3, yes. Negative 3. Now, let me ask you a question. Based on all that you people have done now, what did you notice anything?
Yes, sir.
2 minus 5 is negative 3. Meanwhile, 5 minus 2 is 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let's do the next one. The next one that we did. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. 8 minus 3 is what?
5.
5. Did you notice that anytime it looks like you switched the position of the small number and the big number, it simply adds a negative to the answer? Did you notice that?
Yes, sir.
I can say, now, now, don't write this thing in your book. Oh. Don't draw any
Yes,
number line
sir.
for this. Let's see if you both understand. Now, we all know that 11 minus 4 is 7, isn't it? Eleven minus 4 is 7, right?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 11 minus 4
So
is
can you
7.
see our screen?
I can see your screen, but you've minimized your paint.
So I have to stop sharing.
No, just open the paint now so that you can write down what I've written before you now stop sharing.
The paint will not open. Good one. No, nice. No, put the annotate. Press this arrow. Arrow.
The paint will not open.
Okay. The pen stop opening.
Have you been able to sort it out? If you stop sharing, all the things that I've written will disappear. So don't stop sharing. Don't stop sharing. You don't want me to have to write down that thing I wrote all over again. Just look for a way and open the paint. Or open any other program that has a white background, like Microsoft Word or something. Can you open Microsoft Word?
Yes, sir. She's opening it. Finally.
Okay, good.
Computer. My computer.
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
If are you hearing that I'm just working on your computer and me I don't understand your computer. Computer. Let me see.
Okay. My computer is trying.
So don't
So
mind
it has
us.
even passed our time.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
To write down what I wrote down. Do you understand? Just write it down. We are done.
We've written it down.
So I've written
You've written.
everything down.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
We're waiting for you to call the lesson to be over.
I see. Okay. All right, no problem. If you've written it down, that's my priority. At least you have everything. All right. So we'll meet again next week Saturday, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Enjoy
Sir,
your
do you
week.
give us any
And
assignments?
well, you people have already done to number 40, and we've not. So just work on just do your schoolwork for now. When we get to wherever you stopped, then I'll give you another one, like a target. Is that okay? All right. Okay. So enjoy your week, and my regards to your sister.
Okay, sir.
All right. Bye.
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 Okay. Sorry, before you go, when you want, it looks like your computer, you need to restart it. Can you see that place down there on your here? Let me show you. Can you see this place here? Can you see that thing that I put an arrow on? Here.
Yes.
At the bottom of your
Yes.
click on that thing and then click restart. Okay, don't just shut down your computer. Click on it and click restart. It will help your computer
Okay, sir.
to install all the.
Sir, please come here and meet you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Please help us send it.
Okay, no problem.